Spring is in the air, and it's time to revamp your living space. In this guide, we'll explore 30 ideas for transforming your small space with easy, chic, and budget-friendly spring decor. Get ready to bloom with vibrant colors, clever DIY projects, and practical tips that breathe new life into your home. Let's begin this creative journey. Spring is the perfect time to declutter. Start by removing heavy winter items and creating space for lighter, brighter accents. Keep surfaces clean and open for a fresh, airy vibe. Donate or store items you don't need. It's all about simplicity and renewal. Flowers are the heart of spring. Add a bouquet of fresh tulips, daisies, or lavender to brighten any corner. Even a single bloom in a small vase can make a big impact. Place them on a table, shelf, or by your bedside for a cheerful touch. For a personal touch, create your own floral arrangements. Use mason jars, teacups, or recycled bottles as vases. Mix faux and real flowers to save money while achieving a lush, vibrant look. Add greenery for extra texture. Swap out dark, heavy cushions and throws for pastel tones like lavender, mint, and blush. These colors make your space feel light and cheerful. Mix and match patterns, but keep it simple for a cohesive look. Replace heavy winter drapes with sheer light curtains in neutral or pastel shades. This simple switch lets in more sunlight, making your space feel open and breezy. Sheer panels are a perfect choice for a fresh spring vibe. Switch up your wall art for spring. Choose prints or paintings with floral motifs, pastel tones, or nature scenes. For a budget-friendly option, print your own artwork or create a gallery wall with family photos and pastel frames. Upcycle mason jars into spring vases. Paint them in soft pastel shades or leave them clear for a rustic touch. Add fresh flowers or dried blooms for a charming centerpiece or shelf accent. Even in small spaces, you can grow a spring herb garden. Use small pots or a vertical planter for fresh basil, mint, or rosemary. It adds greenery and functionality to your decor while being practical for cooking. Layer lightweight throws in seasonal fabrics like cotton or linen. Choose bright or pastel colors and drape them on sofas, chairs, or even a bench. This adds warmth and a welcoming spring vibe without cluttering your space. Spring isn't just about visuals, it's about creating a sensory experience. Add candles or diffusers with scents like lavender, citrus, or fresh linen to fill your home with seasonal charm. A subtle fragrance can transform the mood of your space. Fairy lights aren't just for winter. Use them to add a magical spring glow. Wrap them around shelves, drape them across headboards, or line them along your windowsill for a soft and dreamy ambience. Bring the outdoors in with natural textures. Incorporate wicker baskets, jute rugs, or wooden accents like trays or bowls. These materials create a fresh, earthy feel perfect for spring. Give your bookshelves a spring makeover. Add small vases, pastel bookends, or stack a few decorative books with a floral accent on top. Declutter for a clean and fresh look. A small, brightly colored rug can anchor your space and bring in spring energy. Choose floral patterns or pastel tones that complement your decor. Even a compact area rug can make a big impact. Transform your balcony or patio with small space solutions like hanging planters, foldable furniture, and string lights. Add colorful flowers and cushions for a cozy spring retreat. Make a simple floral garland using faux flowers, twine, and a glue gun. Drape it over doorways, mirrors, or shelves to add a festive and delicate spring touch. Refresh your dining area with simple, budget-friendly spring table settings. Use pastel-colored plates, floral napkins, and small mason jar vases filled with fresh blooms. Whether it's breakfast or dinner, a spring-inspired table will set the perfect mood for any meal. Add a touch of spring to your organization with pastel-colored storage boxes or baskets. These functional and stylish solutions help you keep things neat while brightening up your space. Place them on shelves, under your coffee table, or in closets. Transform any corner into a lush, spring-inspired garden with small pots of succulents, herbs, or colorful flowers. Use windowsills, shelves, or even a kitchen counter for your mini garden. It's an easy way to bring nature indoors. Swap out your old cushions for spring-ready designs. Think light, pastel colors, floral prints, or even geometric patterns in soft hues. Cushions are an affordable way to refresh your furniture and add comfort to your space. Create personalized spring decor with simple DIY projects. Frame botanical prints, add motivational quotes, or even use seasonal photographs for a gallery wall. These unique touches make your space feel even more special. Add a set of stylish wall hooks for both function and flair. Choose ones in pastel colors, or go for a rustic style with wooden hooks. These can hang jackets, scarves, or bags, while doubling as a chic accent in your entryway or living space. Bring the essence of spring into your home with new lighting. Consider hanging pendant lights with soft shades or floor lamps with wicker accents. Soft, warm lighting helps create a cozy atmosphere that's perfect for spring evenings. Swap your heavy winter bedding for lightweight cotton or linen sheets in soft use. Add floral or striped patterns for a touch of spring and keep your space feeling fresh, airy, and comfortable throughout the season. Add a small water feature, like a tabletop fountain, to bring serenity and calm into your space. The gentle sound of running water pairs perfectly with the peaceful ambience of spring. Transform your windows into mini displays. Use spring-inspired curtains, vases with fresh flowers, or even decorative bird cages. These small touches will make your space feel more connected to the season. A wall clock in pastel colors or floral designs adds both functionality and spring cheer. It's an easy way to update your space while keeping things practical. Bring the outdoors in with natural elements like driftwood, seashells, or pebbles. These objects are perfect for adding texture and a touch of nature to your spring decor without overwhelming your small space. Congratulations! With these 30 tips, your small space is now a cozy, stylish spring retreat. From fresh flowers to pastel accents, your home is bursting with vibrant seasonal energy. Enjoy your newly refreshed space and let the season inspire your creativity.